Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So today we are working on our zero-turn Cub Cadet mower. Many of you probably have the same problem that we have, where the key itself falls out of the ignition even though the mower is still running. What we need to do is we need to replace the key mechanism itself. We're going to show you how to do it in 10 minutes next. Here's the problem. If I turn it to where it's in the on position, the key itself comes right out. As we were riding the mower the other day, this just completely fell out. So you can see it's worn really bad right through here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off the 4 bolts. This drops down, and then we're going to replace it with the new switch that we purchased, and I'll leave a link in the description below for this switch in case you need that for yourself. So let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're actually going to push the tabs in order to pop that out, but obviously we need to remove the wire that's connected to the bottom first. So we're going to take note of the location and how that is affixed to the bottom of the switch while we're pulling it out. Now that's removed. Pushing down on that one tab, there's one on the other side we're pushing, and it just pops up through the top. Out it comes. We're going to check that orientation. It's going to pop right down in there, just like that. Okay, let's see how we did. All right, so that was about 5 minutes and we are done. You can see that that was a quick repair. That is a non-OEM part. I'll leave a link below so you can get one for yourself. Seems to work perfect. We'll give you an update on this video if for some reason something happens, but all in all, everything looks excellent. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you on the next one.